Welcome to the next episode on my channel, Auto Critic Series technical guide. Today episode is quite short, namely I wanted to show how to replace the shaving heads in the Philips Norelco Series 1000 shaver, but also in the 3000 series and 5000 series is the same, similar in the higher series. So let's go. Depending on the shaver model, it's best to remove the heads from the mountings like this. Leave them here on the side. What we have here, we have the mounting here. Of course we have a small knob, and we unscrew this knob. Of course here in the opposite direction we pull out the small plastic mounting here, and we have all the heads removed. Now all we have to do is to replace them. Let's put the new heads here. I have the head itself, but the knives are from an old razor, so we have to replace it here, and just like that. This way, when we put it all together, we also put the shaving head in that center here, fix the mounting here as the cuts show us here, and scrape it in, and set it again respectively in the heads after protection, and the heads have been replaced. And that's all. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next episode. Best regards from Auto Critic.